You can repair holes left by removed screws using simple spackle or joint compound and a few basic hand tools. Start by cleaning the hole and surrounding surface with a dry brush to remove dust and any loose drywall paper. For holes the size of a pencil or smaller, apply spackle or lightweight joint compound directly with a putty knife, pressing to fill and smoothing flush with the wall, then let it dry fully before sanding with fine grit paper. For holes slightly larger than a pencil but smaller than a quarter, pack the cavity with a small amount of backing such as a scrap of fiberglass mesh tape or a tight wad of joint compound. Then top coat with more compound and feather the edges over roughly 2 coatings, sanding between coats. For holes approaching the diameter of a nickel or larger, use a repair disc or a self-adhesive patch designed for drywall. Adhere it over the hole. Apply 2 thin coats of joint compound, extending several inches beyond the patch, and sand smooth after each coat dries. Keep compound layers thin to avoid long drying and cracking, and match wall texture by stippling with a damp sponge or a brush, while the final coat is still tacky if needed. When dry and smooth, prime the repair spot before painting so the finish hides the repair and the sheen matches the surrounding paint. A common mistake is overfilling the hole with a single thick layer which traps moisture and cracks. Avoid this by using thin coats and allowing full drying time between layers. Another issue is inadequate feathering, which leaves a noticeable ridge. Solve that by extending each coat farther than the previous one and sanding progressively with finer grit. People also forget to prime, which causes the patch to absorb paint differently and stand out. Prime with an interior primer, matching the wall sheen before applying final paint. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project listings tailored to patching and other small repairs, helping us match work with professionals and helping homeowners find service options. We also host an active discussion community where we share step-by-step tips, get feedback, and learn from others who have fixed similar minor drywall holes.